Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by routing sound. Use a virtual audio cable so system audio feeds your recorder directly. Once done, set Google Translate to the phrase and voice you want. Next, open OBS or a digital audio recorder and pick the virtual cable as the input device. This avoids background noise and echo. Make sure sample rate and channels match, 44. 1 kHz stereo. Start the recorder, but do not yet trigger the Google Translate playback. Prepare volume and levels first. Now you perform a live test. Press Translate speaker and watch levels in real time. Adjust OBS or your recorder gain so peaks hit around -6 decibels. If the voice sounds distorted, lower the browser tab volume or reduce system output. Once levels are right, record continuous takes, or use punch-in recording for segments. You can slow playback rate in Translate for tricky pronunciations. Keep an eye on CPU and disk space to prevent dropouts during the capture. Finish by stopping the recorder and listening through the full take. Trim leading and trailing silence, then normalize or lightly compress to match loudness standards. If nothing recorded, make sure the virtual cable is set as the system output and the same device is selected in your recorder. Also restart the browser. Once fixed, export to WAV for editing or 320 kbps MP3 for distribution. One troubleshooting tip. If you hear echo, disable your microphone monitor and mute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.